Hi, this is me, Mohammed, an Excel expert. And in this video, I will walk you through a project I completed for a non-profit organization. So let's start. The client reached out to me with this workbook. The workbook is already have rich of data, but there are three main problems in this. The first, the formulas are across the workbook is all of them are broken. So client wants to fix all of these as well. Then the second main problem is the workbook is not consistently uh, uh, following the visual guidelines and appearance. So there is no consistent formatting across all of the tabs of this workbook. The client also wants to fix these points as well. Third main point is that the client wants two new tabs created from the scratch, full formula rich, and to be smoothly integrated up in the workflow. So I can show you the final product that I created for a client is that. Yeah, yes. So this work, I start by understanding all the full logic of the workbook. Then I move towards fixing the formulas across all of these tabs. I first understand these formulas and then rebuild them so they can calculate the expenses and budget clearly. After this, I applied consistent visual formatting across all the workbooks so the tabs look similar and professional and looks really clean. So after this, the client has some specific expense statements that he wants to include into it. So I take them from him and included these into the expense tab by following the clear structure. As you can see there, there all are drop downs. So we and there it also contains some formulas to match the product codes and the numbers as well. So the names must be put into the format which is already following by the workbook. So this needs to be added in very carefully. After adding those, I also share simple step-by-step instructions with the client so their team can easily add those in the future by themselves. After this, I move towards creating two new tabs from scratch and fully link them to the rest of the workbook for the smooth integration. So these two tabs I have created, and as you can see in the formula box, each cell contains formulas which it needs to be. So the this this is to be created so it can follow the exact structure by which is already following by the workbook, and it can smoothly integrate into it without the need of an extra effort. So the client final result is that client is really happy with that workbook. Also, now it looks more clean and professional and easy to use. The workbook is completely future ready and they can use for their grants uh, for the rest of the year, or if they want, we can definitely increase its size to cover the next 5 years or 10, like what the client decides. So, if you dealing with such complex workbooks or large data and need some help of an expert, feel free to reach out. Thank you.